Good afternoon. I am Dipesh Makwana, Associate Professor, IC Department, LD College of Engineering. Welcome you to the Automation Lab of the CEO. So the Center of Excellence is established in agreement by Government of Gujarat, LD College of Engineering and Siemens Software Private Limited. In this Center of Excellence, there are several labs. Out of those labs, the Automation Lab and the Process Instrumentation Lab are being taken care by the Department of Instrumentation and Control Engineering. The main objectives of the Center of Excellence is to create the skilled manpower and to promote the industry academia link, as well as to give students a feel of an industry. So today I am going to walk you through the Automation Lab in the Center of Excellence. As you can see here, we are having a 6 S7 1200 test setup for the PLC, that is a programmable logic controller, and one S7 300 PLC which is having more inputs and outputs. Those all PLCs are connected to the personal computer PC through a proprietary Siemens software, that is the Total Integrated Automation Software. This software supports the HMI, that is the Human Machine Interface, PLC, that is a programmable logic controller, and SCADA, that is a supervisory control and data acquisition systems. The students can come and can program here for the PLC. The programs can be dumped later on over here, and then the students can perform the practicals of the PLC.
I am Professor Sampan Shah, Assistant Professor in IC Department, LD College of Engineering. So I will go through the Automation Laboratory. In Automation Laboratory, along with PLC, we have a SCADA and HMI, two other facility available with the same platform, that is TIA platform, Totally Integrated Automation. So here, here the screen is available, HMI, Human Machine Interface. So student can develop the HMI application as well as SCADA application in the same platform, TIA portal. So in SCADA application, they can develop the various mimic diagram, report, alarm, all these functions can be done in this SCADA platform. Now, what are the industrial applications? In this industrial application like food and beverage, packaging industry, conveyor belt application, timer application, counter applications, all these applications can be developed with this one platform, TIA portal. So, student can develop SCADA, HMI and PLC with the same one